projectors, messy papers, cables, and complicated setups that slow everything down. Introducing boardEX Ultra Series, the all-in-one interactive display designed to transform modern meeting rooms. Available in 65, 75, and 86 inches, the boardEX Ultra Series delivers a stunning visual experience with a 450-nit high-brightness display, ensuring crystal-clear visibility during presentations and meetings. With advanced zero-bonding technology, the air gap between the glass and the display is removed, creating ultra-precise touch and a natural writing experience. Writing and annotating on screen feels smooth and accurate. The Ultra Series features a 50-megapixel Ultra HD AI camera with a 170-degree ultra-wide-angle display, automatically adjusting the frame to include everyone in the meeting. An advanced 8-microphone array captures voices clearly from up to 10 meters away, while AI noise reduction removes background distractions like typing or air conditioning, keeping conversations clear and focused. At the heart of the Ultra Series is a powerful 8-core processor running on Android 14, delivering fast and reliable performance. Featuring expandable memory from 8 GB to 64 GB RAM, 128 GB of storage, and customizable options up to 4 TB, this device supports Intel i5 and i7 processors. Its display can also function as a full Windows workstation whenever needed. Connect instantly with your team using built-in video conferencing tools like Google Meet and Microsoft Teams. Share your screen wirelessly from laptops, tablets, or smartphones, making presentations quick and effortless. With multi-touch interaction, multiple team members can write, draw, and collaborate on the screen at the same time. Turn discussions into visuals with a powerful digital whiteboard. Import presentations, annotate documents, highlight ideas, and instantly share meeting notes using QR codes. Additionally, we offer a movable trolley stand that can support all our panel sizes. We also offer AI tracking PTZ Vision Pro camera featuring 2.07 megapixel resolution, 1080p video quality, pan tilt functionality, up to 30 times optical zoom, 12-watt power consumption, and comes complete with a Bluetooth microphone and speaker. boardEX, exceed boundaries.